A bulging disc injury is commonly sustained in car accidents and when someone falls. One can sustain a bulging disc in any disc throughout the spine, whether it be in the neck or back. While herniated disc injury is typically considered to be more severe than a bulging disc injury, that does not necessarily mean a bulging disc injury will automatically lead to a small settlement. Let me tell you the story of my past client, Tara. Tara's case involved a trucking accident, but what I'm about to teach you in this video applies to every type of injury case, including any type of automobile accident, slip or trip and fall incident, or any type of personal injury case. The truck driver in Tara's accident was the clear at-fault cause of the accident, so the primary issue and dispute with the truck driver's insurance company was the value of Tara's injury claim. The most significant injury Tara sustained in the accident was to her low back. After beginning physical therapy treatment, Tara eventually had an MRI on her low back. The MRI on her low back revealed she had a small disc bulge in her low back. Tara ended up going to 18 physical therapy sessions to recover from her injuries. Once she finished her medical treatment, it was time to try to see if I could negotiate a fair and reasonable settlement for her. So I sent a demand package with all the evidence we had gathered for Tara's claim, including her medical records and bills, to the trucking company's insurance company to kick off settlement negotiations. After negotiating back and forth with the trucking company's insurance company, I was eventually able to secure a settlement for Tara in the amount of $75,000. And since Tara also received $10,000 in personal injury protection benefits, her total recovery on the case amounted to $85,000. Tara was thrilled. She was able to get a fair and reasonable offer on her bulging disc injury claim, and we didn't even have to file a lawsuit. Her bulging disc was also not severe enough to require the surgery. But if you have a case where surgery is required, your case has more value than a claim where no surgery is performed. Surgery cases often amount to settlements well into the six figures and sometimes even seven figures. The value of all bulging disc injury cases is not the same. The value is usually highly dependent upon how much insurance is available to you on your claim, the extent of your bulging disc, and the amount and nature of the medical treatment you have to incur. If you have sustained a bulging disc injury, make sure you follow your doctor's orders and get the medical treatment suggested by your doctor. If you do so, you may be in for a significant payday. Now that you know that your bulging disc injury case may have significant value, it does not necessarily mean that the insurance company is just going to roll over and pay you a fair amount for your claim. In fact, it is often the case that insurance companies will make you a lowball offer at the start of your case. And that is why you should watch this video about to pop up right here, where I tell you my suggestion on how to respond to a low offer in your injury case. Lastly, if you've been injured in a car accident, slip or trip and fall incident, or dog attack incident in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.